we had to change some of the cast of characters, mainly because we lost a few. But we still have a couple of them left. So let's get to the video.
Let's start recording now. I live with roaches. That's one of them.
What the fuck are y'all doing?
What? You just ruined my recording. Now we have to start again.
Well, I'm gonna go play some Xbox.
Ugh, nobody cares.
Fuck you, kid.
You're so bad at that game.
Okay, so Dougie is playing Xbox.
Dougie, that's my Xbox.
Shut the fuck up!
Ow! Fuck you, Dougie. Anyway, let's start again. Jalissa, so he ruined the recordings and we have to start again. Alright.
I'm gonna bitch kick you.
What the heck? Dougie.
Hey, I need some money.
Yeah, well, I'm broke. Yeah, me too.
Cow guy, you got some money? Cow guy, you got some money? No. Well, I need to buy Call of Duty's the new one. Well, I don't have any money, dude. Please, just $1. Please. No. Go get your own. Go get a job. But it's too hard. Oh look, the news.
One.
Breaking news, okay? There is a mass robot on the loose who breaks into people's houses asking for money for Call of Duty. If you see this, here, let me get a picture of him. Life in Cult 911. This will steal all your money, all your credential info, and you'll become a homeless person. He will also steal your house. So be aware, this man's on the loose.
Okay, what the heck
Why
is that?
are you on the news?
Yeah, why is he on the news? What happened?
I am Dougie Bot.
Oh shit. Okay, run everybody.
No, all we need is a water gun.
Where would we find a water gun? It's not like
We could use the time shotgun.
Yeah, that didn't work the last time. Remember?
Oh yeah,
The dragon?
It just spawned a dragon.
That dumb dragon tried to eat me and my best friend. Okay.
I'm Huggy.
Huggy Wuggy, please eat him.
I want to hug somebody.
You hug him, okay? Hug him.
Okay.
What the heck?
I want to hug you. I'm gonna hug you.
I'm letting you down. Don't be annoying.
I'm Huggy Wuggy.
You're an ugly Huggy Wuggy.
Prepare to die. My neck. I think you broke it. So, we're gonna get rid of this robot thing.
Yeah, I don't know.
Let's hug him to death.
Okay, Huggy.
Yeah.
Can you squeeze him so tight?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, you're doing great, Huggy. Harder.
Okay, grab the time shotgun.
Okay.
Quick.
Okay. Okay, I got it.
Use it on him. What is there an angry squid?
Yeah, this is why I never like to use this shotgun.
Why is there an angry squid?
You just literally. Where did he go? Here, I should. Maybe I should just. I'll
From
just
the
use
timeline that this kid came from.
Okay, I'm just gonna use this time shotgun again.
Okay. Shoot it quick. It looks weird. It looks freaky as hell.
Okay.
Why is it a Why is it Pokemon cards this time?
Yeah, I never meant for that to happen, but I mean, yay! Let's play Pokemon. Girlie, stop it, I'm gonna use this time shotgun. I'm the
Water blast. Squirtle, use water blast.
Doyle.
Squirtle, hit it with the frying pan. Squirtle, hit it with the frying pan again.
Okay, we're getting over. Lollipop, let's record. I live with Marcus Did a boy
Fly power. I will go back.
Yeah. Huh?
So are we gonna act like this didn't just happen? Are we gonna act like that didn't just happen, guys? Or like what's the plan? So are we gonna act like that didn't just happen? A Squirtle was literally just flying.
Okay, just shut up, guys.
And that thing is what, you guys? Shut up. Go back to your thing. Okay.
I know you like cookies.
Cookie.
I am the hand. No,
Cookie.
I am the hand. I am the hand, and I know you like cookies. So I did.
Look, really eat this. Yeah.
Do you need to go to the hospital?
My neck is still broken.
Womp womp. Go to the womp, yes.
We can't go to the hospital. We broke out of there. We even snapped the hospital owner's neck. So we're kind of banned from there.
Womp womp.
So I don't know what to do.
No big deal. Just womp it.
Hey Alyssa, do you have a medical license?
Jolissa, yes, I do.
Okay, could you give me a neck?
Mine.
Jalissa?
Yes.
So does that mean you're not a doctor?
No, I'm obviously not a doctor.
Well, you don't really seem like the smart type when you literally created a shotgun which can bring stuff from the past.
It was your idea.
Yeah, well, I was just trying to... Oh, wait, I'm rich. Wait, I can play on my Xbox now.
You suck at that game.
Shut the fuck up.
At least I'm telling the truth.
And at least I have a follower.
At least I have a grandparent.
Damn. At least I'm not stupid as hell.
At least I have a job.
I'm 9. You're 17.
Yeah, obviously. Wait, you're 9?
Yeah.
What?
I don't really know how old I am.
What the heck? Hey, let's go check your medical license.
I don't have one.
Let's check out your brain.
Yeah, we gotta ask my dad. Let's go ask my dad.
1.
Oh, this is so funny. Hey, Dad, how old am I? the hell do you mean how old you are? I don't know. I don't know how old you are. You're adopted. All I know is you're adopted. Why? Nobody loves you, not even me. I just needed money. It was a bet. I mean, it was mainly a dare, but I got $100. So and I needed money to buy and then my new Xbox controller because it broke. But yeah, you're pretty much